Hello! Today we're going to be removing a mini-split's DC brushless motor. Before we begin, make sure to check out our 2 previous videos on disassembling a mini-split evaporator and removing its electronic control box. Link in the description. Step 1. Remove the screw on the left-hand side of the unit's evaporator coil. Step 2. There are a total of 4 screws on the unit's right side. They must all be removed in order to lift the evaporator coil off the motor. Step 3. There is a small plastic tab on the right-hand side of the evaporator coil. Using a screwdriver, push that tab out of place and lift up on the evaporator coil. Step 4. Lift the evaporator coil off of the unit. It will still be held in place at the top right end, but it will be much easier to move. Step 5. Remove the plastic cover from the motor, lifting it off its hinge. Step 6. There is a small, hidden screw inside the unit's cross-flow fan. Rotate the fan until it can be seen, then remove it. Step 7. Lift up on the motor and pull out the axle from the cross-flow fan, releasing the motor completely. In addition, with all other parts removed, the cross-flow fan can now also be removed from the unit. And that's how you remove a mini-split's DC brushless motor. And for all your HVAC needs, visit us right here at Perfect Aire.